perfect. Thank you. Okay, who will be next? It's your turn now.
Yes. One day morning, Bill is prepared to the birthday party, and his mom said, "Don't eat a lot of sweet because they are unhealthy for you." And Bill say yes, and he go to the party. At the party, the the lady is bring the cake for the children, and the children are happy because they got chocolate cake, and Bill eat a lot of chocolate cakes, so his stomach start hurt, and he go to the doctor, and the doctor say you ate a lot of sweet and it's unhealthy for you. Then the doctor gave his to medicine, so the Bill is better again. Yes, finish.
Oh, that's brilliant. Thank you. Very, very good.